it's Crafty Rhea, and welcome back to this video. I am here today. It is Sunday. It is just after 4 p.m. Eastern Time, and the prior winner for this giveaway, Brenda, did not send me an email, so I'm going to draw another winner. This is for the 50th recycled Christmas card video. This was the card that I made on that video. It's the little open door card. There we go. And then what was in the giveaway, I'll be giving that card, plus these really cute embellishments. There's some snowflakes and some Christmas ornaments. Holiday rub-ons in red. They're by October Afternoon. Holiday Splendor by Stampabilities. It's a kit containing 5 rubber stamps, and those are the rubber stamps. Comes with a black stamp pad as well. And this American Girl Library Christmas Crafts book, and it has a bunch of great little projects inside for you to work on for your Christmas crafts. Any of you who like to recycle Christmas cards or to make Christmas cards, I think would really enjoy this little pack. It has a few things to get you going. So here we go. Let me get my phone ready. I have that 50th video URL placed there. Get YouTube comments. There are 25 original commenters. I'm going to turn my phone sideways so you can see it better. And I'm going to click here that says Start Raffle and pick random winner. Let's see who it is. There's our winner, Lucinda Monger, and her comment was, "This card is so pretty." Congratulations, Lucinda. I will be leaving my email address in the comments below. Please send me an email by, I'll give you about 48 hours, the end of day, Tuesday, 11:59 p.m. on Tuesday, March 24th at 11:59 p.m. Please send me an email with your full name and mailing address, and I will send this prize out to you, Lucinda. Thank you again, everyone who has entered this drawing. Congratulations to Lucinda, and I hope to hear from you by Tuesday night, or I will put this in the mail on Wednesday. If I don't hear from you by Tuesday night at 11:59 p.m., I will draw another winner on Wednesday. Thanks again, everyone. I really appreciate it. I'll put my email address in the comments below, or tiggeria@gmail.com, TIGGERIA@gmail.com, but it will be in the comments below, or in the description below, I should say. Thanks again, everyone, for watching, and until the next video, go get crafting. Bye-bye.